Serotonin, or 5-hydroxytryptamine, is the calm and certain feeling that your needs will be met. With high serotonin levels, you are completely content. Everything is as it should be. It is the feeling of being respected and looked up to, that people come to you for guidance and want your acceptance. It has been called a social molecule, and it is strongly tied to hierarchy. When you have higher levels of serotonin, you are and you feel more socially dominant. You enter a calm yet focused state. You're more laid back and you enjoy social situations more. Your body is dependent on serotonin. It regulates many physiological functions like your hormone production, your sleep cycle, motor control, immune system, intake of food, and energy balance, just to name a few. Serotonin is also important in higher brain functions. It plays a large role in learning through its effects on synaptic plasticity, or the process of brain change, and neurogenesis, the creation of new brain cells. Higher serotonin levels can also increase your cognitive flexibility and make you more open to new experiences. Openness to new experiences puts you into the path of unexpected rewards, which gives you dopamine boosts. When your serotonin levels are elevated, a space opens up inside you. You relax and start looking outwards, becoming more extroverted. You know your needs will be met, so you start looking to satisfying other people's needs. Serotonin has been shown in numerous studies to affect how we behave in relation to others. Pro-social and affiliative behaviors are associated with a well-functioning serotonergic system. Antisocial and aggressive behavior, on the other hand, is associated with a dysfunctional serotonergic system. The highest serotonin densities are found in those areas of the brain that are associated with social cognition and decision-making. One study looked at the effects of the selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor citalopram on moral judgment and behavior. Like the authors of the study state, we show that the neurotransmitter serotonin directly alters both moral judgment and behavior through increasing subjects' aversion to personally harming others. How much the participants of the study changed in response to elevated serotonin levels was influenced by their personalities. Individuals high in trait empathy showed stronger effects of citalopram on moral judgment and behavior than individuals low in trait empathy. Together, these findings provide unique evidence that serotonin could promote pro-social behavior by enhancing harm aversion, a pro-social sentiment that directly affects both moral judgment and moral behavior. Serotonin makes you feel better, improves your social skills, and promotes peaceful and cooperative behavior.